Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect pair of comfortable boots? These awesome combat style boots from LISYIIZ are not only really cool and modern looking, but they're super comfortable as well. The boots have a nice flat sole that is made of a nice rugged rubber that helps them to feel super comfy. On the inside, it has the corresponding really cushiony sole that also makes them feel great when you're walking. I also like that they have lots of great details, so you can tie them up and then crisscross them at the top with the hooks. And if you need a little extra help getting them on, don't worry because you can unzip them on the sides and then pull them up. The boots feel very rugged and well made despite their faux leather material. I really also like that the wrinkling is not happening, so sometimes you have that cracking, but these are really nice looking even after a few weeks of wear. The boots have that nice black matte finish that has just a little bit of gloss so that they maintain their coolness. My daughter wanted these and she wanted to be able to wear them with a dress or a skirt, and they look great with any option really, whether it comes to a skirt or with pants. The size is a size 8 and they definitely feel true to size. They're not too snug or not too tight with my normal size 8 foot. The boots are so comfy and they look awesome when you're wearing them, and they're great to walk in as well. But that's just my point of view.